Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be showing you some, like having a thunderstorm and it goes terribly wrong, and yeah, that's gonna be the process. So yeah, I hope you like it.
Welcome back to my house, Olivia. So, are you here for the babysitting?
Of course, I packed everything you need.
Okay, that's really good. Thank you.
Okay, may I come in now?
Of course.
Yeah.
Is my niece. Like, maybe I should check the security cameras.
I'm just gonna escape. We'll find out, including my mom. Oh my god, why did I think of this idea? I'm such a smarty pants. Yeah, baby!
Yeah, Aunt Didi, I think your baby escaped. Okay, yeah, see ya, thanks.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Man, I'm trying to look for her, but she's already gone. What did I ever do to deserve this?
Man, this is a crazy adventure, but I'm kind of feel bad for my babysitter.
I'm thankful I have my little niece with me. Yep, she has been really good. very grateful for my family. Oh, you're so sweet. I love you all, guys. Yeah, guys, the chicken is all ready.